Welcome to English Learning Podcast.
Learn English fast with
Real conversations. Let's begin.
Hey and welcome. I'm really glad you're here. Today is going to be a little different. We're not just going to learn English. We're going to talk about how to actually start speaking it. Because let's be honest, you can understand a lot. You can read, maybe even write. But when it's time to speak, it gets quiet. And that's completely normal. So today, I'm going to share simple strategies that actually help you start speaking English in real life. No stress, no pressure, just real progress. First thing, stop trying to be perfect. Seriously. This is probably the biggest mistake. You wait, you think, you translate in your head, and then you say nothing. But here's the truth. You don't need perfect English to communicate. You just need enough English. So instead of saying, I need to say this perfectly, try this. I just need to say something. Even simple sentences work. I like this. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? That's how it starts. Second strategy. Use English every day. Not for hours, just a few minutes, but every day. Consistency is everything. You can. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing. Think in English. For example, I'm making coffee. I need to send an email. I'm a bit tired today. It might feel strange at first, but this is how your brain starts switching to English naturally. Third, stop translating everything. This slows you down a lot. Instead, learn phrases, not just words. For example, instead of learning, get means fo, learn, get ready, get better, get home. Your brain remembers patterns much faster than isolated words. And when you speak, it comes out more naturally. Fourth strategy, listen more than you think you need. Because speaking comes from listening. If you hear English every day, your brain starts copying it, the rhythm, the tone, the way sentences are built. That's why videos like this help. You don't just learn words, you learn how English sounds in real life. Fifth, repeat out loud, not in your head. Out loud. This is important. Because speaking is a physical skill, your mouth needs practice too. So when you hear something, pause and repeat it. Like, that makes sense. I'm not sure. I'll think about it. Say it slowly, then say it again. This builds confidence faster than just listening. Sixth, make small conversations, not big ones. You don't need long, deep discussions, just simple interactions, like ordering coffee, asking a question, saying hello. Even one sentence is progress, and the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Seventh, accept mistakes. This is part of the process. You will make mistakes. Everyone does, even advanced speakers. But mistakes mean you are trying, and trying means improving. So instead of thinking, that was wrong, think. Good in learning. Let me tell you something important. Confidence doesn't come first. Action comes first. Then confidence grows. So don't wait to feel ready. Start now. Start small. Now take a moment. And think about this. What is one sentence you can say in English today? Just one. Maybe. I want to improve my English. I feel more confident. I can do this. Say it out loud. You see? That's how it begins. Before we finish, I want you to remember this. You don't need more time. You don't need more talent. You just need to start and stay consistent. Little by little, day by day. You're doing better than you think, and if you keep going, you will become fluent. Thank you for spending this time with me, and if you want to improve faster, listen again, repeat, and come back tomorrow. See you in the next video. Take care and keep speaking.